How's it going on, guys? Chuckle here, and as you can see by the title, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to talk to your friends on Xbox Live Party Chat without a microphone. Guys, you might be having problems with not having that little adapter that you plug under your Xbox controller and then you plug in earphones. You probably have earphones, so that's what you're going to need for this and not that little adapter. By the way, guys, you also need a laptop / computer for this. So guys, let's stop waffling, let's get into this tutorial. Right guys, so the first step, you need to press the Windows key, type in store. As you can see, open up the store, wait till it loads up, and in the search bar at the top right you type in Xbox. As you can see, wait till this pops up, this Xbox app here, and as you can see it says this product is installed. Obviously it's installed on my laptop, and it'll say install for you if you already don't have it, but with Windows 10 computers most of them have it. So just press launch, wait till it loads up. Guys, by the way, happy new year. As you can see at the bottom right, 0004, there you go, it's 2018, 1/1/2018. Happy New Year, guys. Thanks for watching the channel. Right guys, so the next step is you need to link your profile to this app. So as you can see, I've linked my profile here. A lovely little picture. All you have to do is log in with your Microsoft account that you use for your Xbox. After you've done that, press on this connection icon and make sure you connect your Xbox One to this app. I'm going to be going on parties here. Press start a party, wait till it loads up. As you can see, I'm in a party now, and as you can see the icon right here, I've got a microphone connected. This is my actual microphone that I'm using to record this video now, but you can just plug in earphones. Once you plugged in your earphones, make sure you go on recording devices and make sure you right click this and press set as default communication device and set as default device. Do both of them and you'll be able to talk to your friends through the earphones. Guys, just as simple as that. I'm not sure if anyone has done this before. Make sure you link me the video down below if someone's done this before, but I've never seen this video done before. Guys, I'm trying to save you money. You can just go on the laptop and talk to your friends through earphones. They're going to be on the Xbox, you're going to be on the laptop whilst on the Xbox playing, so it's great. Don't have to buy that adapter for underneath controller. Guys, if this video did help you out, make sure you smash the like button and make sure you subscribe down below and turn notifications to get notified every time I upload. Guys, happy new year, and hopefully you get what you want this year. Thanks for watching, guys, and peace.